Recent research from nutrition experts at Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine suggests that coffee contains antioxidants and other beneficial compounds that can help reduce internal inflammation and guard against various diseases. In this video, we bring you some of the significant health benefits associated with drinking coffee. Number 1 is the fact that it promotes longevity. Drinking coffee has been linked to a longer lifespan, reducing the risk of major causes of death in women, including coronary heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and kidney disease. Number 2, coffee aids in heart health. Consuming 1 or 2 cups of coffee daily may help in preventing heart failure, a condition characterized by the heart's inability to pump sufficient blood. Number 3, coffee helps with brain protection. Research indicates that coffee might offer protection against neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. It not only lowers the risk of developing Parkinson's disease, but also assists patients with Parkinson's disease in better managing their movements. Number 4, coffee lowers risk of type 2 diabetes. Regular coffee consumption may contribute to a reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes by aiding the body in processing glucose more effectively. Number 5, coffee supports liver health. Both regular and decaffeinated coffee has been found to have a protective effect on the liver. Regular and decaffeinated coffee drinkers tend to exhibit healthier liver enzyme levels. Additionally, coffee is believed to help in weight management by influencing fat storage and promoting gut health. Furthermore, individuals who consume coffees are less likely to experience depression or engage in suicidal behaviors. Frank Wu, the chairman of the Department of Nutrition at Harvard, stated, "The overall evidence has been pretty convincing that coffee has been more helpful than harmful in terms of health outcomes." So feel free to enjoy your cup of coffee today. For more health benefits like this, please follow, like, share, and subscribe to our channel at Diamond 885 TV.